everyone, today I'm going to be making the most heavenly, simple and quick chocolate cake.
Grease your baking tin with some butter and some cocoa powder.
You want to grease the tin. Then you just want to get some of the cocoa, and then you want to sieve it over the tin, sorry. If you've got some extra left over, just want to put it in the bowl as well, because it's all chocolatey goodness. And then now onto the fun part, the mixing. So you want to sieve in the flour in the bowl. Sieve. And then your cocoa. Now add in your granulated sugar. Add it in. Look at that. It looks like snow falling into the mixture. And then you want to add in your baking soda. That's looking really cool. And then now I'm gonna add in finally my salt to the dry ingredients, and just a dash of salt. Whoops, got a little bit left over there. There we go. Oh, it's not coming off. There we go. And then you just want to mix that together, a lovely spoon, until the dry ingredients are incorporated. There we go, fun mixing. I love baking, especially when you're making chocolate cake. There we go, our dry ingredients are incorporated. I'm going to mix all your wet ingredients together. I'm going to put in the water, pour, like it looks like a waterfall going in, and then your vegetable oil, and then you just want to mix that there, and then I'm going to put in the lemon water. The lemon juice, sorry, and helps to just give that a quick mix. Oopsie daisy, I spilled a little bit of lemon juice. Clear that up soon.
Mix the dry and wet ingredients together until well incorporated.
It looks so yummy. Now to pour this in the baking tin. Go. Boy, that looks so good. And just use a spoon to get in there. Now just tap the baking tin to level out the mixture and also remove some of those air bubbles. Pop your baking tin into the oven for about 30 minutes until a toothpick comes out nice and clean, and I'll show you when we get to that stage. And now we've taken our cake out of the oven, and just to check that it's done, we're just going to insert a toothpick, and it should come out nice and clean. And now we're just going to let our cake cool on a wire rack while I make the chocolate mousse frosting, which is oh so yummy.
To make yummy chocolate mousse frosting, melt the chocolate over a pot of simmering water, making sure that the water is not touching the bottom of the bowl. Melting the chocolate should only take a couple of minutes, depending on the amount and type of chocolate that you're using. Once the chocolate is melted, let it cool before adding it to the whipped cream later. In a separate bowl, using a hand mixer, whip the double cream until soft peaks form, but be careful not to overmix.
It looks so creamy and delicious, and I've just whipped this for about a couple of minutes. Wow, look at that. There's those lovely soft peaks in the cream, and it's looking really nice. I'm just gonna whip this for a couple of seconds and it should be done. And that is done. You just want those gentle peaks. Fold in our whipped cream into our chocolate base. A little bit of time.
Mix the chocolate and whipped cream together. Decorate your chocolate cake with your yummy chocolate mousse frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please hit the like button.
This is so good. The cake is so lovely and moist and soft, and the chocolate mousse frosting. It's so yum.